That's just, they're all straightaway, black. No, they're just meant to mark them all with most difficult. Oh, this one's good. Okay, this is where it gets hard. It doesn't drop off the side of the earth. Okay. Okay, this is not in good conditions, guys. Jeez. Are we looking good? Okay, we're good.
Moguls?
No, there's no moguls. That's just put there because they have the. Oh, cool. There's no moguls. There's no.
Yeah, definitely not doing moguls.
Yeah, there's no moguls. There's no moguls. I'll just make sure there's no moguls real quick. Hold up. Yeah, no, if there's no moguls, we're good.
Matthew, this is fucking steep trail.
If you don't want to do it, you can go. You don't need to have to.
I want to go down there.
You want? Do you want?
No, I'm not gonna do this part.
All right, then
This is steep as hell.
What? No, it's not. It's less steep actually.
This is steep as hell.
All right, then just do what you normally do.
I'm chickening out with you.
You're chickening for real? All right, just be careful getting out. Lower straightaway, black. Watch this, guys. I've done this before. I have. I go like this. Boom, 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 boom. Holy Jesus, that would have been failed right there. That's the only problem with ski racing. It gets really icy with trails. Do it on. Okay. And there we go. Alright, vomit. Speed. Oh yeah, coming. Alright, messing out the brakes. Alright, that was in horrible conditions. That was in awful conditions. Let me get out of the way. Like, Jesus Lord. Oh, wait on Nick. Carson made the right choice again. Oh my God, Nick. What did he do? Yeah, no, I'll wait on him.
Is that your friend up there?
Yeah.
Is he okay?
No, he's fine.
Okay. I thought they shut that down, no?
No, they didn't shut down yet.
You guys have walkie-talkies?
No, I don't have
Oh, I thought
walkie-talkie.
that was a walkie-talkie.
No, this is a camera.
Oh, okay. We tried the walkie-talkie, but they didn't work.
What'd you do?
So icy.
Yeah, I know, that was horrible. Carson made the right choice again.
I was trying to...
Garden State, blue.
And then I got fell over. And I was trying to get it.
See, that's the problem with ski racing courses. They freaking ice over so damn quickly. Like, oh my Lord. What? You knocked two of them. Don't go in there. It's like crappy. Ah, we'll try it. Why not? Yeah, no, I'm not damaging my skis today, guys. If you want Glade content, we will be going to Bel Air on Sunday. they have some of their glades open, so we will be going into the trees there. And Gore, remember Super Bowl weekend, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, I will be skiing at Gore. Glades are plentiful, so we'll definitely get into the trees at some point in our skiing time season. So, yeah, that's it, cab ride 3, that's what we're on right now, but see you all in the next video.